Interlink Network Complete Introduction. Interlink 100 times better than Pi. Did you know that almost 99% of today's crypto chains are flooded with fake wallets, dummy IDs, bots, bugs, and loopholes? These weaknesses are constantly exploited by crypto thieves who, quite literally, work 24 hours a day searching for gaps to sneak into your wallets and steal your hard-earned crypto assets. Assets you may have spent months or even years accumulating. You have already seen an example in the Pi network where the entire system is so fragile that just obtaining your passphrase can allow someone else to take everything you own. In the last couple of months, I have witnessed thousands of real cases where Pi pioneers had their tokens stolen by hackers. As a result, they lost faith not only in Pi, but in the entire crypto space. And sadly, many of them have given up completely and returned to their regular physical jobs, deeply disheartened. In such a hostile and fragile crypto landscape, dear friends, get ready to be amazed by Interlink Labs Network, the world's first truly human-centric blockchain network. If you've been mining Pi with a vision for fair crypto, you're going to be surprised at how Interlink just raises the bar. Dear friends, if you watch this video fully, without skipping a second, you'll not only understand the future of mining, but you'll also secure your place in it before the rest of the world catches on.
I am Abdullah, and you are watching the YouTube channel, DIGITDON.
What is Interlink Lab Network? Interlink Lab Network is not just another crypto project. It's a new kind of blockchain where only real verified humans can join. No bots, no fakes, no cheaters. Each verified user gets something called a human node token. It's like a digital identity card that proves you're real. This token, or Interlink ID, is non-transferable and not for trading, but it allows you to unlock all features of the Interlink app. And here's the exciting part. Once you're verified and active, you start earning IGLTs, the Interlink Global Tokens. These IGLTs are real reward tokens, just like Pi tokens in the Pi network. But unlike Pi, where bots created fake accounts, Interlink starts with strict verification first. Only real people can earn here. Here, I want to highlight two game-changing differences between Pi mining and Interlink mining. If you understand these crucial points, you'll realize why Interlink is not just another mining project. It's a breakthrough. You'll be convinced it's far ahead of Pi and other networks, and you will feel compelled to create your Interlink account and start mining right away, before you miss the wave. Why Interlink might beat Pi? Verification matters. In Pi network, millions of users started mining without KYC just after downloading the app. Millions still did not pass KYC, though they want it, and millions left Pi network leaving their mined Pis, devaluing Pi ecosystem. Millions that want but not migrated yet. This means billions of Pi were mined by unverified accounts, including bots and inactive users. If even a portion of these users eventually pass KYC and move their Pi to the main net, it could cause a massive supply shock, risking a crash in Pi's value. And that's not all. Millions of pioneers unknowingly lock their Pi until 2027 or 2028. When those coins unlock and flood the market, the pressure could become permanent, keeping Pi's value suppressed for years. Now compare that to Interlink Network. No mining until real-time face verification. Each miner is one real, verified human. Supply is naturally limited and bot-free. Rewards come as IGLTs, backed by true identity and fairness. No ID documents requirement. In Pi network, passing KYC requires you to upload sensitive government-issued ID documents like your passport, CNIC, or driving license, along with video facial verification. All your uploaded documents along with the video is submitted to Pi validators, who have already cleared their KYC, and they decide about your KYC to be cleared or keep it on waiting. This creates friction and hesitation for many users, especially in regions where privacy concerns or limited documentation exists. But Interlink does it differently and brilliantly. To join Interlink and start mining, you don't need to upload any ID documents. Instead, you go through a video-based facial verification powered by AI that simply confirms you're a real, unique human. Even it doesn't ask about your name. No ID documents needed, no personal information shared, just a real-time face scan, and you're in. This privacy-first and user-friendly approach means more people can onboard quickly, safely, and confidently. A major reason why Interlink is gaining serious momentum across the globe, particularly against Pi. Global support and real growth. And yes, Interlink is not just another startup. In June 2025, it was officially backed by Google for Startups, which means serious global recognition. They've been featured on Fox Business, Bloomberg, and even on Times Square billboards in New York. They're also working toward listing on the New York Stock Exchange and are backed by big legal and auditing firms. That's the kind of trust and transparency missing from most crypto projects today. Interlink Network, bright future. Now imagine a crypto world where airdrops go only to real users. Voting is done only by verified people. AI tools know you're real, not a bot. And fake accounts can't cheat the system. That's exactly what Interlink is building. And while Pi showed us the power of people, Interlink is showing how real identity plus fairness can build the next generation of Web3. What next? How to create Interlink account. So, dear crypto believers, if you truly want to be part of a real, secure, and human-first future, don't wait. Watch the second video in this series and join the Interlink Network, the real future of crypto. But there is a strong warning here. Do not download or install the Interlink Network app before watching that second video. Why? Because there are several tricky steps where many users get stuck, and you could easily waste your one-time chance. In that next video, I'll guide you step by step, from downloading the app to registering and clearing the video facial verification without any issues. Only then can you start earning IGLTS, the reward tokens of the future, safely and successfully from day one. Don't miss this early window. This time, be the one who's ahead, not left behind. Let's meet in the next video. Bye for now, and have a great day.